When homeowners in Sugar Land think about boosting curb appeal, landscaping and paint colors often come to mind first. But one upgrade that quietly transforms the look and feel of a home is installing stylish slider windows. These modern windows offer a clean, contemporary appearance while delivering everyday comfort, efficiency, and ease of use, making them a smart investment for both appearance and performance. Why slider windows elevate curb appeal? Slider windows, also known as sliding windows, open horizontally and feature sleek frames with wide glass panels. This design instantly creates a modern, uncluttered look from the street. In Sugar Land neighborhoods where architectural styles range from traditional to contemporary, slider windows blend beautifully with nearly any exterior. The large glass surface allows more natural light to shine through, giving your home a brighter, more welcoming appearance both inside and out. From the curb, that extra light creates a sense of openness that makes homes look newer, cleaner, and more inviting. A perfect match for Sugar Land homes. Sugar Land's warm climate makes ventilation a priority, and slider windows are especially well suited for this area. Because they open wide without protruding outward, they're ideal for front-facing rooms, patios, and areas near walkways or landscaping. For homes with low rooflines or wide walls, slider windows create balanced proportions that enhance the exterior design. They also work exceptionally well in living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms that face the front of the home, where curb appeal matters most. Style options that make an impact. Today's slider windows come in a variety of frame colors, finishes, and grid options that allow homeowners to customize their look. Whether you prefer crisp white frames for a classic appearance or bold black frames for a modern edge, slider windows can be tailored to match your home's personality. Slim profile frames are especially popular in Sugar Land, as they maximize visible glass while maintaining durability. You can also choose between single or double sliders, depending on the width of the opening and the statement you want to make from the exterior. Energy efficiency that adds value. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about smart upgrades that add long-term value. High-quality slider windows are designed with energy-efficient glass, insulated frames, and advanced seals that help keep your home cool during hot Texas summers. By reducing heat transfer and drafts, slider windows contribute to lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment. Potential buyers notice these benefits, making your home more attractive if you ever decide to sell. Easy maintenance, lasting beauty. Another reason slider windows are popular with Sugar Land homeowners is their low-maintenance design. Unlike some window styles that require cranks or complex hardware, sliders operate smoothly on tracks and are easy to clean. Many models allow the sashes to be removed from the inside, making routine maintenance quick and hassle-free. This ease of care helps your windows maintain their clean, polished appearance year after year, an important factor in preserving curb appeal over time. A smart upgrade with big visual rewards. Boosting curb appeal doesn't always require major renovations. Stylish slider windows offer a noticeable transformation with minimal disruption, delivering modern beauty, practical comfort, and long-lasting value. For Sugar Land homeowners looking to refresh their home's exterior while improving everyday living, slider windows are a simple upgrade with a powerful impact. With the right design choices and professional installation, slider windows can help your home stand out for all the right reasons, creating a welcoming first impression that lasts.